Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my version of restaurant style Palak Paneer recipe. And with Palak, it's super healthy too. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Palak Paneer. I'm going to use baby spinach and I'm taking about 2 lbs of freshly washed baby spinach. We are going to cook the spinach first, so in a pot add a teaspoon of oil, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, just toss them a bit. You can also do the traditional method of boiling the water and just blanching the spinach, but I like that flavor of garlic while the spinach cooks. So next add the spinach and cook them until they get soft and release some water. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now we are going to simply grind them together to make a fine paste. So in a mixer grinder, add the cooked spinach. Anytime you make Palak Paneer, it's extremely important to maintain that really green, vibrant color of the curry. So we don't want to overcook the spinach. It's perfectly done. And here we have our green paste ready. Keep it on the side. Now let's start cooking the Palak Paneer. So in a pot, add about 2 tablespoons of unmelted butter. Just spread it through the pan and then add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and couple of bay leaves. The flame is on the medium-high. Fry them together well, and now we are going to add freshly made onion paste, about a cup, and I used 2 small onions to make this paste. Simply grind the onions in a mixer grinder. Fry the onion paste really well until all the moisture evaporates and the onion paste becomes dry like this. Now we'll start adding some spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can always add garam masala at the end as well, but I like to cook it with other masalas, so I've added it now. Next add a cup of tomato puree. Again, I made it fresh with 2 tomatoes and just grinded them together. Fry this mixture really well for a few minutes until the tomatoes are cooked well and the mixture becomes dry like this. Now add some salt. Again, give it a good mix. Now this base is ready. Let's start adding the paneer, and here I'm taking about 200 grams of paneer and I've kept big pieces. Just drop them on this fried masala. The big chunky pieces of paneer in the Palak Paneer definitely look good, as well as they, even if they break, it's not too bad. Just turn these over so that they cook on the other side in the masala paste. I like to cook the paneer in this masala paste just for a few seconds so that the paneer itself also soaks in all the masala. Again, cover and cook for half a minute or so. Now we'll add our paste that we made with spinach and garlic and a cup of water just to even out the consistency. Mix everything really well. You can always add some roasted besan or roasted jowar flour if you like to keep that curry consistency intact, but this one looks really good, so I'm not going to add any of that. Just half a teaspoon of sugar, and my secret ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. It adds an amazing flavor to this Palak Paneer. Just let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. And now since it's the restaurant version style, we definitely want to add some tadka. So in a tadka pan, heat up some oil and finely chopped garlic and 1 red chili. Fry them together. Golden fry the garlic like this. Now it's ready. Let's add this tadka over our cooked paneer and quickly cover it so that all the flavors are locked in. Enjoy this amazingly delicious restaurant style Palak Paneer with some rice or naan. It's absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.